It's 2, 3. Man, I'm coming to try to
oh shit.
It's reptilian 5-0. Doing it. They're coming with us. Confiscate those cameras, boy. Damn it, I can't see. You see it, right? Look. You got. Come on. Fuck.
Oh shit. Oh.
We on the sidewalk. We see it. 1. You see that big one?
Yeah, that big one.
Look at that one behind it. 2. Where's the other one? Just, damn it, man. I can't. Shit. Come on. We don't get abducted and shit.
We moving quick too. It can't be no damn star.
Yeah, look. This shit is big as fuck. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That shit is brighter.
Oh shit! That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's a UFO.
Yeah, look. 1. The other one's 2. Where'd it go? Oh fuck.
Yeah, but I thought they were a little bigger.
Nah, hell no. Look.
They just like that.
The other one's right here. 1.
Oh.
The other one's coming right now. You see? It's coming. Yo, niggas.
I thought that should be a little bit bigger.
Look, it's right there. You see it?
Yeah.
Yo, it might be a fucking invasion, dog.
Oh.
Look. There's another one right there. You see it? 3. What the fuck? There's another one. Look. 4. What the fuck? Yo, no one sees this shit. They're all over the place. Where's everybody at?
I don't know. In the house.
This is Hold up. Where'd they go? Look, 1, 2.
Oh, that's just loud. Damn.
3, look. 2 more. Look. You see them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, I know where you're bugging. Keep it up there. Just keep it up there. This shit might get raw. Everybody keep it bugging. Oh, I didn't zoom in. Oh, yeah. Shit. It can zoom in. You heard?
Oh, like this?
Yeah, press the
Oh.
Man, that's all. Wish I had a fucking telescope right now.
Oh, yeah.
Remember I was saying with you? See it? It's right above us, man. Hope it don't take us.
They can take us right down there?
Yeah. Look. 1, 2. Those are UFOs, dudes. I swear to God. Look. 1, 2, 3.
That shit's bright.
Yo, you see it? I can't zoom in. You zoom in. Press the side.
Yeah, I did.
Fuck, man. They close. It's over. Hell no. Yo, why is no one out here? Isn't that weird? Oh, it's a fox. Where? Nuh-uh. You seen a fox? Where?
Oh, it's probably a cat.
That ain't good neither. Look. Keep it up there. This might be it, dog. We might be fucking millionaires. Come on. Shit. I'm just gonna use 1, 2. I see. They're probably seeing us. We see everybody. You hear the wind picking up? If there's some hurricane shit. You see what I'm seeing? Look, 1.
It can't be that loud though.
So it's a big one right here.
It's a big.
The big one.
It's close.
It's close.
Oh, that's why.
They're coming out of it. They're going to it. All right, look. Keep looking around. It looks like they're surrounding us. He's driving kind of fast. You seen it? Look. You seen it?
Yeah. Oh, why you driving?
Oh no.
Taxi always drive fast.
No, but you look kind of scared. You see how he swerved off the line? No, he swerved off the line. He looked scared. Yeah. Something's happening. We can't see.
That shit's bright. Look at that shit.
That's what I'm saying. Yo, I don't want to get abducted, dog. Hell no. Look, it's right over us. See? Damn. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Huh?
Oh damn. Hold up. I can make it nighttime.
Oh, night vision.
Oh yeah, hold up. Shit. Come put the brightness up. Oh.